I've just found a lovely patch of penny bum mushrooms. Should we pick them? I think we should pick them. Little fat pig. It's not for the spores, it's because it's a pig and you've got to pat it on the head because he's little and fat. Let's take those. We'll move up here. Get a load of this one. Doesn't feel in quite as good shape as the other ones. Still, look at that, it's bursting. See, that one feels a bit mushy, probably a bit too far gone. And we got another one up here. Also, might be a bit bug damaged. Where was the other one? Down here. We are right on the edge of a forest, on the edge of a meadow. It was either last year or the year before. These popped up in this spot, so I figured I'd just come straight back over here. Learn your land. You find some really cool stuff. Thanks again, everybody. See you in the next one.